Top news headlines. UCM says people should stay alert as Asian IM Center entering into final settlement. Mori indefinite shutdown cripples normal life. Mori clinches bronze in World Women's Boxing Championship. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. Against the backdrop of the media reports about the center and Asian IM entering into a final settlement for the vexed Naga political problem anytime soon, the United Committee Manipur UCM has called on the people to stay alert. UCM thinks that, among others, proviso of Territorial Council and 6th schedule might be given to the Naga outfit in much awaited final agreement. We need to stay alert in view of the development, UCM President Sunil Karam told a press meet at committee office located at Lamphel in Imphal. UCM General Secretary KH Athoba and other leaders were also present at the press meet. Sunil Karam further said a peaceful environment is most welcome after the Naga final settlement, but highly placed sources have revealed that the government of India might consider granting proviso of Territorial Council and 6th schedule in the final agreement. UCM will never accept granting such political facilities, Sunil said. It is unacceptable that the government of India takes any decision with regard to the Naga peace process without taking all stakeholders on board, he cautioned. The UCM leaders also said that while expressing their aspirations by a particular community in Manipur, they should first keep in mind that the state has a government. Sunil also demanded that at this crucial juncture, the 60 MLAs need to have their own declarations.
Peace talk as a settlement lama poram daida aikogi Manipur miyamgi stakeholder tanaramdana solution amata porpo yaro hebase United Committee Manipur gi farm oiba steni karigumba hariba demand asina masida nampu sapuda tarpa taragadi Manipur miyam gisu Manipur gi apun bagi saktam kanana bahona matamda aikoi madugi damakta aikoi sem saraga laire haibase government of India da amasu Manipur government da amukka hanna aikoi achetpa pire base thamjari.
UCM General Secretary KH Athoba also said the committee welcomes any final settlement to the Naga problem, but cannot accept disturbing the interests of neighbors in the process.
Hariba Porasibu, Akogi Natairaga, Masigi, Onatainabada, Manipur Miam Tanaramdana, Amani Manipur Miamgi, Ayaba Yaudana, Territorial Council, 6th schedule, Tonganba, Pan Naga cultural body, Adi Manipur Hekchenaba, any kind of administrative arrangement, Chingba, Poaching Asa, Masi. Kayumba Manipur Miam si Tanaram dana Mohena Tokshan Giva Taragadi, Maduna, Manipurna, India that tin Kriva, echoing Sagi political relationship between India and Manipur. Masi ekoi idea of Manipur, Amana, Mapumwena, Kodi entity, Amoina, India that tin mani, Masida, Indiana, Manipur, Apunbagi Sakta Masida, Makone interfere to Rokanda, Makoina Masida, Akogi Lam Kaido Kajin, Shinjok Chinin to Wiyabagi, Makoida Madugi right came to late. Madu bypass the India government, Duan Torpo Taragadi, a Koiga, Manipur Miamga, Madi, India Galenariba political relationship as a Masia Koina Honana, Makokta Moko Yaminawi type of the moment Lagane Habasa, Massimasu India government, Maka the Koi Chapchana, United Committee Manipur, Maka the game, Massimasu Piltoning.
The State Cabinet today approved the Stand Up Manipur scheme under the existing Startup Manipur scheme, under which subsidy and soft loans will be given to scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, OBC, women and minorities of the state to start business. According to reports, the State Cabinet also unanimously approved the Manipur Regulation of Cell Deed Registration Rules 2019 to regulate and curtail inappropriate transfer of property. During the cabinet meeting, Manipur Vision 2030 document also received green signal, under which the state government will work on sustainable development goals and targets for implementations by the state. The cabinet also decided to amend the Manipur Combined Competitive Examination for Direct Recruitment of Section Officer Rules 2014. The meeting also resolved for the prorogation of 8th session of the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly. The cabinet also gave its approval for commencement of the Chief Minister's scholarship scheme for civil services coaching. The cabinet also approved appointment of various posts of non-teaching staff of Manipur Technical University and resolved for setting up of a police outpost at the entry gate of National Sports University. Further, it approved on upgrading PHSC Tentha to PhD under Critical Gift Fund scheme of National Rural Mission. The indefinite Mori shutdown call given by different social organizations against frequent bomb blasts in the border town disrupted normal life. In a latest incident, a powerful improvised explosive device exploded at the compound fencing wall of Kuki Students Organization, Mori office located at Ngamkai Veng last evening at around 7:55. The explosion site is close to HTC office and about 50 meters away from an Assam Rifle post. As per reports, the impact of the bomb was so powerful that the fencing wall of KS office was partially destroyed and tremors were felt in some parts of Mori market, which borders Myanmar. However, no casualties were reported. It is the third explosion in Mori area within a week. Condemning the incident, Mori-based civil society has called the indefinite ban in the town. The residents have denounced the frequent explosion.
Pung Nipan adwaida case of complex Assam Rifle manaka bomb pokhaibasi koina taseng na nungaite aduga hoji eyewitness leire haye aduna miyamna Assam Rifle gi game da attack tawduna nung thomjinduna mai thadana sumaina yaning debasi hoji kanna khongjang se sangsili aduga indefinite ban su tawgani haina koina lepa hore.
Meanwhile, the Meitei Council Mori has condemned frequent bomb blasts at Mori town. The council in a statement said 3 blast incidents have taken place at different locations of the border town on October 5th, 7th and 11th. Such incidents have caused a fair psychosis among the general public, MCM said. It strongly condemned yesterday's bomb blast near the office of Kuki Students Organization and urged the Manipur government to take up additional security measures to avoid such incidents in future. Kuki National Organization has also strongly condemned last night's bomb blast that occurred near KS office Mori. In a press release from the outfit said that maintaining peace at Mori is vital to ensure normal life, considering the ongoing tripartite talks between Government of India, Manipur government and the Kuki underground groups. KNO also demanded the individual or group responsible for the bomb attack to come forward and clarify the reason. In another incident, an improvised explosive device was found planted at a culvert on Tidim Road located at the intersection of Waikurok and Lesang village of Churachandpur district early this morning. As per reports, the area was cordoned off by security forces as preventive measures. Traffic along the road was disrupted due to the bomb. Six-time champion MC Mori Council today won a bronze medal in the World Women's Boxing Championships, 51 kg category. after losing to Turkey's Buzanas Kekiroglu in an intense semi-final bout played at Ulan-Ude of Russia. Third-seeded Mori Council lost to second-seeded Kekiroglu of Turkey in 1-4. Later in the evening session, Manjurani play against Thailand's Chuthamat Raksat in the 48 kg category, while Jamuna Boro 54 kg will take on top seat and former Asian Games bronze medalist Huang Xiaowen of Chinese Taipei. Southeast Asia Human Rights Association organized a one-day public interaction on the theme Merger Agreement and its Consequences in Manipur at Hotel Nirmala, Imphal. Former Director of Center for Studies, Manipur University, Professor N.J. Kumar, moderated the program, while Professor of Economics, Manipur University, Dr. Chinglen Maishnam, Executive Director of Human Rights Allied of Manipur, Bablu Leitongbam, and Assistant Professor, Department of Political Science, GP Women College, K. Indra Kumar, attended as resource person. Advisor of SCAHRA, C.H. Hemchan, said that it is high time to debate whether the Manipur merger agreement is acceptable or not. He also urged that it is high time to discuss the changes brought into the state post-merger agreement.
Merger agreement is null and void oibra chatnaba yabra potla sigi question chini aduna merger agreement tawraba matung dagidi power khudimang mathang sum paisalakpuna akogi freedom akogi right puna mamangre puna maksi namchalega mogi makhada do's and don'ts kuni mogi makhada torpanina ngasidi koida karimata upailite sarkar bhobogda akogi assembly constitution am leira bhogda maduki kari dogdam no haidu delhi da question chen bagi phibam tanja am lakshalagle aduna singumba condition mayam sida koina kari dogdai kari step la khutpa dage haibudo projam yang gotana projam gi resolution do adugi matungina akoina action khara lokhana bini damakta step by step lokhana bagi damakta masiki program simuroin sinjabani.
Now we have a short commercial break. Coming up next, Northeast communities in Delhi has kicked off Cleanliness Drive at Basankunj in Delhi. Do stay tuned.
Nupi ekhoi khongthang khuding seksiningai gi seksiningai ngaktani mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli adubu mahausa gi khongchatnina khudung thiningai atumak oi Manipur da ahan boina iramdam masida sajaba ningol khudo adubu ngasidi ekhoi tingnaningai oidre ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ Bright Enterprises-ꯀꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯉꯣꯜ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ.
Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba na lakpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yum palabi, ahal oiraba ima singna set payaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasi maglengsin bira u Prabhavati Handloom. Moirang khom sawgaizam lairak machin natraga. Aikhoigi phone number 6909126615 natraga 700580023 da call tobira u. Prabhavati Handloom.
US Pizza and Fried Chicken at Sangay Pro. For us, food is about taste and delicious choices, but at affordable prices. Fresh dal with a high wheat content, fresh vegetables and chicken make our food special and healthy. We have 3 types of pizza crust to offer you. A wide variety of fried chicken items, burgers, garlic breads, pastas and mocktails await you. Come to US Pizza and Fried Chicken for delicious belly-filling portions at pocket-friendly prices. And yes, we are kid-friendly too, so bring your kids and enjoy with them. Come, taste the best pizzas in town and a host of other food items at US Pizza and Fried Chicken, Sangay Pro.
Welcome back. In connection with the Swasth Bharat Abhiyan initiative taken up by Prime Minister Modi, Northeast communities in Delhi have kicked off a cleanliness drive from 8th of this month at Basankunj in the national capital. The campaign will be carried out in different areas of Delhi. As per reports, social workers Linda Niomai from Nagaland and renowned Naga chief Karen Yeptomi initiated the campaign commemorating the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Several youth volunteers from northeast states in Delhi took part in cleaning the surrounding environment and campaigning on public awareness program on cleanliness in the city. One pedestrian died following a road mishap that occurred this morning in front of a Thokpam Congress office of Thobal district along the Imphal-Mori highway. According to police, the deceased was identified as 42 years old Khaidem Tej Kumar, son of KH Lafau Jao of Sugunu Khongnang Makhong. He was hit by a speeding Maruti A-Star car with registration number MN04A9790 on the highway. He later succumbed at District Hospital, Thobal. Jila Parishad member of 11 Khatrigao Muhammad Nazrul Islam in association with State Health Department today organized a program at Khairgaon Junior High School wherein locals living below the poverty line submitted application forms for Chief Minister Haksel Tembang and Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana cards to the concern. Muhammad Nazrul Islam said the event aims to help poor people through the benefits given by CMHD and ABPMJAY.
Later Lairaba Amadi Ekogi Haksengi card Pahogdava Singi the Makta Aina organized Tauraga Ikogi official singa Ikogi Miamgi Kanaba Pige Haidna Ikogi I Katau Sinjabani.
Nauria Pakhang Lakpa, MLA Soibam Subhash Chandra Singh and Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Y. Kemchine jointly inaugurated a multi-purpose club at Hyangthang under Nauria Pakhang Lakpa in Imphal West today. The two leaders also inaugurated a Gram Panchayat Ghar. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Subhash Chandra said the foundation for the club was laid during the previous government, but it did not complete the construction work. He said the club has been built at the cost of around Rs 13 lakh from the MLA Local Area Development Fund. MLA Subhash Chandra also said a series of development works have been taken up in Hyangthang area. He said that the road stretched from Hyangthang to Mekola was in a pathetic condition for the last 10 years, but now the development of the road stretch is nearing completion. A parking lot for VIPs and devotees visiting Hyangthang Lairimbi Temple will also be built near the holy site. The MLA also informed that the center has sanctioned Rs 3.5 crore for construction of a mini stadium and a football ground in the constituency under Khelo India scheme.
Hyangthang City Block Makada Gram Panchayat Tarani Sinaku Lagi Koi function Toriba Koi government Matam de Koi Anuba si Panchayat Kiwina Koi Hyangthang Block Sim Hange Rigi Hyangthang de Koi community hall ma local area development Pandagi Koi Honorable Mission Sangabi Namangasi function Toribaje Masima Lady Koi Hujik Mang Uriba Hyangthang Kangi Mukjida Khelo India Gi Makada Koi mini stadium ma Adagi football ground and the drain Masiki Punamak 3 crore 60 lakh Makai Karihan Magi sanction to the logic implement over Hore. Sahitara Karim Torum de Badong, as it is. I could program Haptana, Koi Messin Tadana, Koi Yang Tangi, Lami Tong, Ayamba, Loishanabagi, Lade, Aduna, Koi Yang Tangi, water supply scheme.
Now let's have another commercial break. Do stay tuned.
अखोई पामजब लंबीदा नियम चुमना चलबदी खुनाय असे नोंम नत्रगा नोंमदी सौखटप खुनाय म सोइदन ओइजन
रेडियन ग्रुप ना इनखलकलिबा नुपी सिंगी ꯍꯩꯊꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯡꯊꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯂꯧꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯝꯆꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯥ ꯄꯤꯔꯤ
ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯛꯆꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯛꯇꯣꯕꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 10ꯗ ꯀꯔꯇꯦꯟ ꯔꯥꯏꯖꯔ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯍꯣꯇꯦꯜꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ
ꯀꯔꯇꯦꯟ ꯔꯥꯏꯖꯔ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯣꯟꯇꯦꯁꯇꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ
इवेंट असिगी ग्रांड फिनाले लाक्लिबा अक्टोबर तांग 16दा होटल इम्फाल असे सोइन पांथोकसरनी
ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯂꯦꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ
Liklang Pare All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association Amawavana Hingbagi Wahanthok Leiba Chaukhatpa Nungaiba Tangdu Leitaba Khetnaba Leitaba Kunai Amagidamak Leblakpa Chahi Kuntrap Mapung Parakli Liklang Pare Lagliba October Kungamari Amawavagi Kuntrarak Suva Foundation Dega Mari Leinana Sinjariba Nungairaba Ishai Nongmagi Thoramni Liklang Pare Mafam Baige Chandra Open Air Theatre Board Matamna Nungthil Pung Manga Miyamna Sungsoi Shoitana Saruk Yabiu Liklang Pare
Diwali amasung Ningol Chakobana lakpaga iroinana Sangai Honda na Festival asida Honda Cars ki ahenba discount sing pizari. Hauzik lariba Honda Cars ki discount sing adudi Honda Amage up to 42,000, Honda Jazz up to 50,000, Honda WRV up to 45,000, Honda City up to 62,000, Honda VRV up to 1,10,000, Honda Civic up to 2,50,000. Honda CRV up to rupees 5 lakh. Attractive oiraba discount sing asi lakliba October kun ganipan gi mangoinana lobi hogadabani. Discount sing asi gidamak terms and conditions khara leizai loinana madik charaba servicing center su leizari. Akupa marol gidamak ngasimak lengsin birau Sangai Honda Ghari Airport Road Imphal Manipur.
Welcome back. Governor of Manipur, Dr. Najma Heftullah, said she is happy to have the opportunity to flag in a team of farmers from Manipur on their return to the state after a visit to Sikkim for exposure and learning all aspects of organic farming, starting from production to packaging and marketing. At the function at headquarters IGAR, Imphal, Najma Heftullah also complimented the Assam Rifles for organizing such a trip in their collective efforts to organize this flag-in function within such a short time. She said that in spite of their busy schedule to contain the insurgency problems at a sensitive location, the 4th Battalion Assam Rifles has been relentlessly making efforts to further their civic action program in the Northeast states. Dr. Najma said people from different walks of life will certainly welcome these gestures and benefit immensely from the civic action program of the security forces. A book titled Wari Machagi Haurakfam Amasung Masak, written by Navakumar Nongmikapam, was released today during a function held at Manipur Hindi Parisat Imphal. The book discussed on short stories. Japan has announced high alert as powerful typhoon Hagibis approaches the island nation. As per reports, hundreds of thousands of households in Japan were advised to evacuate due to fears of flooding as the powerful typhoon was set to make landfall later during the day, bringing with it the heaviest rain and winds in 60 years. Municipal governments issued evacuation advisories to areas particularly at risk, including thickly populated Greater Tokyo region. 2 matches of the Rugby World Cup due to be played today were also cancelled due to the situation. And now let's move on to the sports news. Eliud Kipchoge made history in Kenya by running the first ever sub-2 hours marathon in a time of 1 hour 59 minutes 40 seconds. Cheered on by thousands of fans, The Kenyan world record holder and Olympic champion completed 4 laps of a 9.4 kilometer circuit around the Prater, a park in the center of the Austrian capital. Kipchoge achieved the feat with a team of 41 in and out pacemakers, 7 at a time, whose positions were guided by lasers projected on the road from a support car in front. These assisted conditions and the fact the run was not a part of an open event mean his achievement will not count as an official world record. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. UCM says people should stay alert as an Asian IM center entering into final settlement. Mori indefinite shutdown cripples normal life. Mary clinches bronze in World Women's Boxing Championship. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.
Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba na lakpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yum palabi, ahal oiraba imasing na set payaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasi maglengsin birau Prabhavati Handloom, Moirang Khom Sawgaizam Lerak Machin, natraga, ekwegi phone number 6909126615 natraga 700580023 da call to birau. Prabhavati Handloom.
Mega Monsoon Offer. Be a lifetime subscriber of Lamjingba Times daily newspaper at Rs 10,000 only. For more details, please